Hey, David. Wow, it's been such a long time. I can't believe we're finally seeing each other again. After what, 5 years? It feels like just yesterday we were sitting in the university cafeteria, complaining about exams and dreaming about the future. How have you been, man? I've been wanting to catch up with you. Hey, Michael. Yeah, it's been so long. I almost didn't recognize you. You look good. You seem different. Like more confident, you know? I guess life has been good to you. Thanks, man. Yeah, a lot has happened since we graduated. Life has moved so fast. After finishing my degree, I got that internship I always talked about. Remember? Well, they offered me a full time position right after. I started working hard, and now I'm part of the management team. I never thought things could move so quickly. But when you're in the right place at the right time, things just happen. Oh, and guess what? I got married last year. Her name is Sophia. She's amazing. Honestly, I feel so lucky. We just bought a house and we're already thinking about starting a family soon. Everything has been moving so fast, but I'm grateful. Life feels like it's all coming together. Wow, that's incredible, man. I'm really happy for you. Sounds like you're living the life you always wanted. I remember back in college, you always said you wanted stability and a family, and now you've got it. That's amazing. Thanks, bro. But enough about me. I want to know about you. How have you been? How's work? Are you still in the same city? Yeah, I'm still here. Well, things have been different for me. After graduation, I didn't really get the job I wanted. I applied to so many companies, but nothing really worked out. I couldn't wait around, so I took some small jobs to pay the bills. I've been trying to start my own business a few times, but to be honest, nothing really worked. I opened a small coffee shop once, but it didn't last. Then I tried selling things online, but that didn't work either. Sometimes I feel like I've been trying and trying, but life is not moving forward. Oh man, I didn't know you were going through all that. You always seemed so full of ideas, like you were ready to build something big. Yeah, I had ideas. I still do. But things don't always work out the way we plan. And it's not just work. I was dating someone for a while. I really thought we would get married. But, well, things didn't go well. We argued a lot. And finally, we broke up. It really hit me hard. And now, when I see people like you, people from our university, even friends from high school, they are all moving forward. They're getting married, traveling, buying houses. getting promotions, and I feel like I'm just here, stuck in the same place. I look at myself and I can't help but feel like everyone is moving forward except me. Hey, come on, don't say that. Life moves at different speeds for everyone. I know it's hard not to compare, but you're doing your best, right? Yeah, but sometimes it doesn't feel like it's enough. I wake up and do my routine, but it's like I'm just surviving, you know? I'm not living the life I imagine. Sometimes I sit alone and think about how I thought I could be successful by now. Maybe even have a family. Maybe even own something. But I have nothing. I see on social media people we know, they are getting promotions, traveling the world, buying their second car. And here I am, still trying to figure out what I'm doing with my life. It's hard. It feels like I'm running in a place while everyone else is on a fast train to success. Man, I didn't realize you were carrying all of this. I can see now that you're really struggling. But I also know you. You're not the kind of person who gives up. Maybe you just need some time. Maybe you need to stop being so hard on yourself. Sometimes life just takes us on a different road. I've been thinking about that a lot lately. Like, is it me? Am I not working hard enough? Am I making the wrong choices? Or maybe I'm just unlucky? I don't know. It's just that when you see everyone around you moving forward, it makes you wonder if you're the only one left behind. I totally understand that feeling. But listen, just because your story is moving slower, it doesn't mean it's not going somewhere. Maybe you're building something bigger, but it's just taking more time. I hope so. I really do. But right now, it just feels like I'm standing still while the world keeps going. You know, David, what you're feeling, I felt it before too. Maybe not in the same way, but there was a time when I also felt stuck. When I was working on my first job, I saw my friends getting better positions, traveling, buying cars. I was still sitting in the same office, doing the same boring tasks every day. I used to think, why is everyone moving forward except me? I started to feel that maybe life had no more good things waiting for me. But now, looking back, I realize those were the moments that actually helped me grow, even if I didn't see it at the time. Really, you felt that way too. I always thought your life was just one success after another. No, man, not at all. The truth is, nobody's life is perfect. We all have moments when we feel like we are not enough, or that we are not going fast enough. But you know what I learned? Sometimes social media shows only the happy parts. People post when they get promoted, when they travel, when they buy a new house. But they don't post when they fail, when they cry, when they feel lost. We don't see their hard days. So we start to believe that we are the only ones who are behind. But that's not true. Everyone is fighting their own battles, just like you. That's true. I've been comparing myself too much. I see people's pictures and the stories, and I just feel small. Like my life is going nowhere. But maybe you're right. Maybe I'm only seeing one side of the story. Exactly. And you know what else? Life is not a race. It's not about who gets there first. It's about building something that really matters to you. It doesn't have to look like other people's lives. You've tried to start businesses. That's something many people are too scared to even try. You've taken risks. That's something to be proud of. Just because it hasn't worked yet doesn't mean it won't work in the future. But what if I keep trying and I keep failing? What if it's just not for me? What if it is for you, but you just need to give it more time? Success takes time, growth takes time. You can't compare your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 10. And failing is just part of learning. Every time you fall, you get closer to learning how to stand stronger. Yeah, maybe I've been too focused on the end and I forgot to respect the process. I've always wanted quick results, but maybe life doesn't work that way. Maybe I need to be patient, even if it's hard. Exactly, man. And don't forget, you're not alone. I'm here. Your family's here. You have people who care about you. You don't have to figure it all out by yourself. And maybe you can start by appreciating the small wins. Even if you think you're stuck, you've learned things, you've survived, you've grown stronger. That's progress too. You know, it really helps to hear this from you. I think I've been inside my head for too long, just thinking negative thoughts. Maybe I need to talk to people more about this. Maybe I need to open up instead of carrying all this alone. Yeah, man, talk to people. We all need that. And remember, it's okay to feel stuck sometimes. It's part of life, but it doesn't mean you have to stay stuck forever. You can keep moving, even if it's step by step. Thank you, Michael. Really, I think today's talk was something I really needed. You know what? Maybe I'll try again. Maybe I'll start something new. And this time, I'll be more patient with myself. I don't need to rush. That's the spirit. Take your time. follow your own path. I'm always here if you want to talk or if you need help. We all move at different speeds, but what matters is that we don't stop. Yeah, I guess life is not about running fast, it's about moving forward, no matter how slowly. Thanks, bro. Anytime, man. Let's not wait another 5 years to catch up. Let's keep in touch. I want to see you grow, step by step. You will, and I'll be cheering for you too. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.